this house is like in a fairy tale. The design is simple and attractive. Tiny black house, square building, sloping roof with a symmetrical central axis. The front door is on the side. There are steps to knock on the door. The elongated space fills the inside of the house. The designer makes good use of the shape of the house and is neatly arranged. Chimney, bedroom, everything is available. Small house design that is simple, but always interesting. Quiet environment makes it comfortable to live in this house.